여러분 안녕하세요. 저는 Cecilia입니다. Warm greetings from Ecuador, South America. My name is Cecilia Yépez and I graduated from Torch Trinity in 2006. Since I had the privilege to begin my journey with Torch Trinity towards the end of my master's degree, I truly enjoyed the rich diversity of the community. The professors coming from different cultural backgrounds, yet spiritually rooted in the uniqueness and incomparable Word of God, made a deep impact on me. The students from the 5 continents of the world were not only eager to delve into the Word, but also to share their extraordinary ministry practices. This made my experience both outstanding and enriching during the 3 years I spent in South Korea. This journey equipped me well to return to my country and proclaim the gospel of Jesus Christ and train local leaders to do the same. It indeed prepared me to be an instrument of God, bringing change to my community and beyond. Teaching the Word, changing the world perfectly encapsulates the essence of Torch Trinity and the experience of all those who have had the privilege of belonging to it. So if you are considering pursuing theological studies, I strongly encourage you to make Torch Trinity your first choice. Few schools in the world offer such a truly multicultural and multilingual environment as that found in Asia, the largest continent on earth. At the Torch Trinity, you'll have the opportunity to learn from and connect with a diverse community that will not only enrich your studies, but also become your partners in ministry. This invaluable experience will benefit you both during your time in South Korea and as you return to the mission field in the future.